Alright, we're back. A couple hundred feet further down the road. So anyway, we got the road coming in here. They recut the corner over here so it'll drain through there instead of in the containers. Using up all that water I hauled up here. Oh, he's going to go sideways to clean it up. Good. Keeps going one direction all the time, never going to get flat. It's muddy over here. Looking better. Got a freeway through here now. Drain down this edge here and then out the road is the plan, so it doesn't drain through there no more. So later on we put a building up in there probably. We teach a machine's new school a few years down the road, unless we get a lot of funding. I do have a Patreon account now and a donation button on my website and my YouTube, so it all goes toward doing this. If anybody wants to donate or help out. So that is a 40 by 100 area we're going to square off there. We're going to put two containers in front of these here to block it off. Looks like you can bring a semi-truck through here now and unload it. He's really digging it now. Done screwing around. He's moving dirt. We didn't have time to level those containers out. You can see how square that container is over there. Got the back corner over there. Nowhere near square. We tried doing that one, they just poked holes in it. Lifted up a couple inches, about all we got out of that one. It's pretty heavy, it's full of motors and trannies and rear ends and stuff like that. Oh, my new walkway through here. Yeah, lots of room. Yeah, there's a place to work there. There, new walkway. There's our new walkway to get up here. Yeah, got a 4-lane freeway going through here now. Look at that. Big improvement. Big improvement. Definitely downhill into this hole. Still low here in the middle.
Yeah, but it's better that the water comes away from the totes, and it does look like it's sloped that way now.
Yeah, it's definitely low through here. It's still high over here.
Right here, there's a lump, yeah.
Yeah, well, at least it won't drain into those. Oh, you went over and made a mess. Huh? Container's gonna cross this here.
No more on the end though, right?
No, just right here. So it's gonna be our farm over here, looks like.
What's that?
We're gonna plant our crops over here. Yeah. Well, as bad as that looks, I think it's an improvement. Yeah, we ran out of time over here on this side though. This will be shoveled by hand work. But there's where you get more dirt when you need it. Oh well. So there you go. People that sent me money last time, that's what I blew it on. It actually is angled that way. It actually is angled over this way. It does go this way.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's definitely angled.
20 feet to my left, there's a hump too, and you're on a hump too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got some dips and waves in it, but it's semi-flat. Yeah, at least it drains away from the containers, and the biggest thing is it won't drain through where I want to put the building up for now. So there's our weed pile. Yeah, that mine's right over here. Right up there. Used to be a mine on the property. Yeah, it's buried up behind there.
Yeah.
So, somewhere.
There's a mica mine.
Mica, yep. No gold.
No gold.
Mica.
There's silver down here too.
Yeah, it's all mica. We have a lot of granite.
Yeah, there's a lot of granite. Yeah, for sure. This is all granite.
You got 3 volcanoes around. There's one that way. There's one right by Jacumba down there. And there's one by the freeway way over there, where the freeways go around them. So, and that's Mexico over there with all the power plants and stuff over there. That's all Mexico. That's lit up all night. You can see the Border Patrol parked up there on the hill where the road is. So straight ahead between those 2 poles, dead center, is the border. So I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but it's that road that goes right up there. That is the border right there. That's that fence. That's Trump fence. See, Trump made money. There you go. Yeah, there's the fence straight ahead. I don't know where it goes from there, but I don't see anything else past the mountains. But this looks a little lumpy through here. Get my container still. There's the property line. I did a little digging down there. I see fresh dirt. And then my plantation's up there. Yeah. All right. Well, it looks like we're gonna need some more tractor work. Some weeds. Good on the neighbors. Perfect. And Border Patrol like this. Border Patrol goes up here all the time because they're always patrolling. They like this road. Looks pretty good over here. I like it. Oh, the weed man goes over there.
Different kind of weed.
Yeah, same thing. How much pound can we get for that?
About 0 cents.
0 cents. Damn, light it up. All right, well, there you go. Like I said, if you want to help, you hit the Patreon button, sign up, and we're going to do something with that again. I'm not sure what. If you have any ideas, send me some comments on what you think or what we should do. But meantime, you can help out, help out. That's it for now. All right, we're back. Nighttime. Nighttime in the mountains. Let's see with my camera light. You can't see stars in a stupid camera. You can't focus in on what you're looking at. So I noticed the wall is pushing out right over here. Except the wall's not moving. It's that's coming out. I don't know what's pushing that out or somebody's trying to break in. Probably trying to break in. I lost my rag. Yeah, whatever. So we just got done doing some bucket work up here with the skid steer. So our unsafe deck is now safe. Dirt packed in with a slight amount of pooch out. Look at that. We now have a driveway up in here. Look at this. So, well, that camera really doesn't know how to focus at night, does it? Here, focus on that, dumbass. Yeah. Come on, camera. There it goes. Camera gets confused. So there you go. Nice pad. There's the road. Here's our driveway. Nice pad. I'll drag the guardrails back up and put them up. Yeah, now really just way to a house. that you don't fall through. But if you walk over there, you're going to fall through. Again, that handrail's not very good. This one's not very good either. There might be a small hole under there. So that'd be a lot more dirt to fill that up. So maybe we'll actually put some real wood on that. But yeah, that's a nice improvement. I like that. That's a good job. And you've got the lower area looking pretty decent, but you can't see it in the dark because it's dark. All right, time to get out of here. Go load up the skid steer and drive home in the dark. There's my trailer that holds the skid steer. And about 1,200 gallons of water. There you go. All right, we're out of here.